So I'm currently on my way to my business class. So that's in our Corey Business Center, which is right over this way. Through those trees is where I'm going. So the large fountain in front is our biggest fountain on campus. So as I am a marketing major and a strategic communications major, I do have a lot of different classes in the business school as well as in the communication school. Okay, so now that I've got my coffee, I am headed into business school. Is that one right there? That is Corey, which is our business center. So my class is on the 3rd floor. A little bit about the business school. In order to be a business major, you have to complete the business core, which consists of like finance, marketing, accounting, all of the basic different facets of business before you focus in on your specific area. I'm doing marketing, but right now I'm taking a class called Gateway to Business, which kind of gives me an overview of all the different things in the core. Yeah, so this is like the bottom of the business center. This is the refinance center, which is where people in like the different finance classes do different work with stocks and things like that. We have a little ticker and everything. Professor's classrooms are back there, which is where students will work on projects in between classes. So Justin and I are waiting to go to our business class. Justin, what do you love the most about the business school?
The opportunities of the business school, primarily international opportunities. Since I'm in an international business program, there are lots of people that are willing to help you find internships and help you with the language itself through the business of the other countries. So we have classes here that are designed to focus on business in other countries. For me, specifically Germany, I have a business German class, and I'm possibly going to get a business German minor, so it's very helpful.
This is like the 2nd floor of the back of the business school where we're hanging out. All of the professors' offices are legit right there, so if we ever have any questions, we can always sit outside our professor's office and do homework.